welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today, in the series of YouTube Guru, we are going to talk about how to make YouTube videos and how to make YouTube videos better every day. I have been putting efforts to put YouTube videos since the last 2 to 3 months, and having spent so much of time and having published around 225 videos, all I can say is I have learned a lot and have moved forward towards knowing a lot about this subject. So in this video, I will tell you how to add an end screen at the end of your YouTube video and how this will help you to get more views, viewership, and better watch time. So let us see what exactly is an end screen and how does it affect your viewers. Will you get more viewership if you have a good end screen in every video? So if you like this video, you can press the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also share this video on social media. Now you need to learn how to add awesome end screens to your video and keep your audience of always wanting for more. So when it comes to creating YouTube videos, it is always very important to remind your viewers to click the subscribe button so they can see more of your content. So you have to make people, push people to press the subscribe button, and that is a skill of not only how you communicate in the video but also what the people are able to see. The people should get the subscribe button. The people should know that they have to push the button, and you have to push them to press that button. So it's all about making that subscribe button visible to your viewers. At the same time, you have to make sure that you push people in a very good manner, in a very good and a positive way, that they automatically click the subscribe button. This is a skill which I'm sure you will learn with the days to pass. Or if your viewers aren't quite there yet, you can suggest another interesting video that you created. So many a times when your viewers are watching your video, they might not be interested in the subject which you are talking about, but you can have something good for them. Now this end screen video is going to help you to catch the viewers' attention. So either way, if you don't put some effort into politely reminding your viewers to take a certain action, then they might forget, and that is why end screens play a very important role in catching the attention of viewers. The easiest way to remind your viewers is to subscribe, offer them a video, and put a link to your YouTube channel without seeming too pushy by creating the end screen. That will always make it easier for your viewers to take the action, and you will do it politely without coming off as spammy. Look, you need to understand the psychology of your subscriber. Your subscriber is not watching your video to subscribe to your channel. The subscriber is watching your video to gain knowledge, to get entertained, or to know about something. Then why would a subscriber click on the subscribe button? The only reason is when he appears interested, when he finds you genuine, and when your tactics of asking him to subscribe does not appear to be spam. So many a times you will see people after every 1 minute, please subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is called spamming. But if you're a very ethical, very nice person, and you know how to market your video, you will put the subscribe option in the front of customers, your viewers, and they will quietly press the subscribe button with a smile on their face, because they know that you are a genuine person and you will add value to their lives at the end of the video. So I will teach you after this slide how to go and add end screens. I will take my own example of how I add end screens to my YouTube videos, and I'm sure you will certainly learn a lot from that. So if you like this video, you can certainly press the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also share this video on social media. So now I'm going to show you how to put an end screen at the end of your YouTube video. So please watch it. So now I'll show you how to put end screen at the end of your video and make your subscriber subscribe to your channel. The better your end screen is, the more subscribers are going to come and subscribe to your channel. So let us see how exactly it works. So on the top right corner, you will see this icon, which is your channel icon. You need to click it here. Go to my channel. Now after you click on my channel, you can click on videos. Now once you get the video, you can select which video you want to put the end screen. For example, you have chosen this video. So once you click on this video, you need to click on edit video. And once you click on edit video, this will take you to the YouTube Studio where you can add the end screen. It will show you the option and how you can add the end screen. So it is still loading. Now this is the new YouTube Studio, but I prefer the classic, the old YouTube Studio. So I need to go at the bottom left corner and click on Creator Studio Classic. So here I click it, and now it will take me to the classic version of YouTube Studio. Now here you can see I will get an option to add the end screen. So if you go here, you will get an option to add end screen. I'll show it to you. This is where the option will come. It is just loading. So once it gets loaded, I will show you how to add end screen and make your videos more visible to the subscribers. In fact, you will push your subscribers to click the subscribe button without being very cheesy. Now you need to click here, go to end screen. Once you click here, you will get the option to add element. So we'll wait for some time. Once this bar becomes blue, I will have the option to add the end screen. Here you go. Now this will automatically take to the end of the video. You do not need to do anything because the end screen will be added at the end. So you can see it has automatically moved to this place at the end of this video. Now here I will add element. Just click on this. There are three things which you can add. For me, the link is not available, so I cannot promote any website, but I can choose to put three things: any video, the subscribe button, and any other channel if I want to promote. So for in my videos, I prefer to choose only two things. First is video or playlist. So you can click on create. You can select best for viewer. This option will select any video which is best for the viewer as per YouTube. This option will give you the most recent upload which you do every day. So if tomorrow if you upload this video, so at the end screen the people will get your latest video upload which you will do tomorrow. But I prefer to choose a video or a playlist of my choice. So I click here. Here I can have the option of uploading any particular video which I have made, or I can choose a playlist. So normally I choose a playlist. So here I click on the playlist. Let's suppose I want to put this playlist of new technology and development. So I'll click on this and create element. Here it comes. So this playlist is added here. I'll drag it here and move it to this corner. Now I'll add the second element, which is the most important element, which is the subscribe button. I'll click on create, and here you go, the subscribe button is here. So you can see I have added two elements. One is my playlist and the other is the subscribe button. So whenever any user will play my video, at the end of the video this option will come along with this playlist. So now I'll save it, and now I'll try to play this video if you want to see how it looks like. So I'll go to that video again and I'll show you how exactly it looks like, and it looks quite amazing to see how the end screen puts your customers in a very comfortable position to subscribe your channel. So let us click on this video and let us go at the end screen. Here you go. I've directly clicked at the end of this video, so you will see it automatically coming. You can also watch this video later. Here you go. So once you click on this, subscribe option will come and your subscriber can subscribe on this, and if they want to go through this playlist, they can click and see all the videos which is there in the playlist. So it is better if you provide a playlist, because you'll have many videos which will increase your watch time. So I'm sure you would have certainly learned a lot from this video, and you would be able to now put an end screen at the end of your YouTube videos, and I'm sure this will certainly help you to gain more subscribers. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.